Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a dynamic search bar in Excel for your data. So let's get started. To create a search bar in Excel, the first thing you need to do is go to Developer tab, go to Insert, then click on this text box, draw it over here, then right click, move straight to Properties, come to this field where we are told linked cell, type F2. For example, here I am my cell, I'm linking my cell F2. Then from there, type this function filter array. That's the first argument. That means we have to select our table like this, comma, then include, I will type is number, double click like that. So our first value here is search, then find text, it will be our F2, that's the cell we linked. Then from here, comma, the next argument is within text. We're going to select the column which we need to search. We use it to search for our data, that is the column. Then close with the double parenthesis, then you will end a comma, then open a double quote, type none, close a double quote like that, close with a single parenthesis, then hit enter. So click on search bar and then design mode. Here you can now be able to search any data from your table. So if you search, they will appear dynamically like this. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more.